How to access schedules offline on Transit app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can access schedules offline on Transit app. Now, the thing about Transit app is that when you're connected to the internet, Transit automatically downloads the schedule in the background so that you can access them without internet access later on. So there are three ways to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Transit app offline, and then once you're logged in, Transit will show you your current location and your stop on the main screen, and then find your line in the list, okay, in the list that you've added to your account. After you found the list, select it. After you selected the list, you'll see some options on the screen. Amongst this option, click on more departures to view the upcoming schedule for this line, and then you will see all of the schedule. All right, another way is if Transit does not show you your current location. All right, if Transit does not show you your current location, tap on the search bar at the lowest part of the screen, then enter the name of the stop you are interested in, then press the results or tap the three dots, click on show nearby lines, and from there you can view schedules as if you were at the stop. So this is how it works, okay? This is basically how you can access schedules offline on the Transit app. Thanks for watching and have a good day.